What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how you can fix the Battlefield REDSEC Javelin Anticheat error, including messages like EA Anticheat encountered an error or security violation. These usually pop up when the anti-cheat files get corrupted or outdated, but the fix is quick. Start by opening the File Explorer. On the left, click this PC, then open your local disk C, go into Program Files, then open the EA folder, and after that the folder named AC. This is where EA's anti-cheat is installed. Inside the AC folder, double click EA Anticheat installer and choose Run when it prompts you. When the window opens, select Uninstall All. This will remove any corrupted or broken anti-cheat files. Once it's done, close the window. Now open your browser. In the search bar, type EA Anticheat Javelin download. Click the official EA website result. On that page, click Install or Download to get the Javelin Anticheat installer. When the download finishes, open the setup file. Once the installer launches, look at the drop-down menu at the top and select the game you are having issues with. In this case, it is Battlefield 6. Click Install to reinstall the anti-cheat services. This will install a fresh version that works properly with your game. After it finishes, close everything and restart your PC. When your computer boots back up, launch Battlefield REDSEC again. At this point, the EA Javelin Anticheat error, security violation message or EA Anticheat encountered an error issue should be completely fixed. And that's it. You have installed EA's anti-cheat and resolved the Javelin error. If this helps, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.